Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about how we can create a complete e-commerce store. This video may consist of a second part also, as you all know that a WooCommerce is a complete platform, and we will be using a third-party tool on which we will upload our e-commerce website by using WooCommerce, Elementor, and many different kind of plugins. So let's start. First of all, we will be creating an account on a third-party tool which is named as Pantheon. Pantheon is a free platform in which we can upload more than 2 websites. So just I will be clicking on sign up for creating a Pantheon account. Okay, now as I have already created an account, you may create by just clicking on this login and logout option, and you will need a single any email address like Gmail or Outlook or Hotmail you can use. Okay, so first of all just click on create new website, and after that just click on WordPress. You can also create on Drupal, and you can also use on Node and different platforms. Just click on WordPress. Now after opening, you can write any name. Just I am writing a name, for example Asitnaya 2 for example, and you can select any region, and after that just click on continue. It will take some time, and after that it will create a complete WordPress dashboard. Firstly, we will need to install the WordPress. As you can see, it is deploying WordPress. Now after, we will click on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Okay, so first of all just click on site admin. It will open up the WordPress platform through which we can install the WordPress. You may select any language through which you belong. Now write the site title. Now I will be writing like Shopee store, for example. Username will be, for example, admin, and password will be, let's suppose, admin. Okay, and just click on confirm use of the weak password, as we are using weak password, and you may use an email. For example, I am writing an email. Okay, and just don't click on this search engine visibility, and install the WordPress from here. You may use, and after that you will be clicking on login. Now you have to write the same username and password as you have write before. Now your complete WordPress dashboard has been installed. So first of all, we will have to install a specific theme through which all the basic and the built-in templates will be provided and will be included in the theme automatically. The theme name is Folux. Okay, now just copy the name from here and just paste it here in the themes part. Click on the add new theme and paste the name of the theme here. Here the theme, just click on install. It will take some time and then it will get installed, as you can see. Okay, just click on this, and as you can see, the theme preview is given. Just click on the activate button Now the theme has been activated successfully. Just click on the installed part so that it will install the recommended plugin. Okay, so you can see now that the recommended plugins have been installed, and the theme dashboard have been provided here. Now firstly we have to import the demo. You can see that many of the themes are available here, in which some are pro and some are free. We can use any of the theme provided by this template. So we will be using this template, and for this you may preview it from here. As you can see, it's pretty much cool theme, and we will be using this theme in our e-commerce website. Okay, so just go back and click on the import button, and just click on the continue button also. Now we have some plugin recommended by the theme, in which WooCommerce is included, Depositor is included, Contact Form 7, WP, YouLike, and MailChimp for WordPress. So just click on the install plugin. It will install automatically all the plugins which are recommended by the theme. It will take some time. Now just click on the skip button, that we are using the free theme, and as we have to install the pre-built website, so we will be clicking on this, or if we want any specific part like menus, media, widgets, master, or any else thing, so we will click on the selected data only. Now as we have to install the pre-built theme, so just click on the complete pre-built website and just click on the import data. Now it will take some time and download the complete theme along with the media, along with the theme, along with the content, and after some time it will display the complete theme into our dashboard. Now you can just click on the preview button so that as a theme which is installed can run recently, we can preview it. It might take some time as it is customizing and rebuilding all the pre-themes and all the media and all the graphical content which has been implemented in the theme. So it might get some time. Now as you can see, the theme has been installed successfully, and look at the theme. No one can say that it's a free theme. And it has all the things which a paid theme have. Most things are already installed in this theme. It also have the top to bottom option, and there's also all the navigation links which have been pre-installed properly. Now you can see the theme is completely installed. Now in the next video we will be working and we will be customizing the theme, and I will be exploring along with you that how we can use the WooCommerce plugin, and in the next part of this video we will be discussing about that how we can customize this theme, and what are the basic and the main functionalities which are present in the theme. So till then, wait for my next video, and in the next video we will be working on most. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.